Did you know that your website's About page is oftentimes the most second visited page on your entire site? Have you written it to be all about you when it should actually be written to show how you help your customers? And do you clearly give people the next steps that they should take with you on this page? Hi, I'm Heather Porter from Website Love, and in this one tip in 1 minute, I'm going to show you the key sections you need to have in your About page to make more sales and get more leads. In the top section, create a headline and a subheadline of how you help people and what you are known for. From there, tell your story so people can build a connection with you. This is your origin story or your why, but it's told in a way so people understand how you help them and the types of people that you want to do business with. The important thing to remember here is these top 2 sections are about your prospect and not you. Your job is to show them how you can help them. From here on, you change focus to why people should listen to you. For the next section, add in elements of credibility like awards, accreditations, testimonials, or years in business. Then insert how people can work with you through summaries and links to your service or product pages. Use graphical boxes with icons or photos here. And finally, bring in you or your team's photos or bios. This would also be the place to put your mission or vision statement. And don't forget to promote your freebie somewhere on this page so people can sign up for your email list. I normally like to put it midway down or all the way down at the bottom of the page, or both. Do you want a copy of our About page wireframe and copywriting template? You can get it. There's a link below this video. I'll give you a download and a little video on how to use it. Now, if you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure you subscribe and also click that notification bell so you never miss a future video that will help you get out of overwhelm and move you into online bliss. I'll see you next time.